Right now, your phone has photos, your phone has money, your phone has private messages. But did you know your phone can also have real company ownership? Yes, Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla, all inside one invisible locker. And that locker is called a Demat account. Today, I am going to show you what a Demat account really is, how it works behind the scenes, and when every serious investor in 2026 needs to understand this. By the end of this video, you will never look at investing the same way again. Before we start, comment below which country are you watching from. What is a Demat account really? Let me ask you a simple question. When you buy a house, you get a paper document. When you buy gold, you get a physical gold. So when you buy shares, where do they go? They don't come in envelopes. They don't come in papers anymore. They go into the digital locker. The locker is your Demat account. Demat means dematerialized, which simply means paper converted into digital. Instead of holding physical certificates, your ownership is stored electronically, safe, fast, and trackable. Think of it like your bank account stores money, your email stores messages, your Demat account stores shares, ETFs, bonds, and funds. And here is something shocking. Without a Demat account, you literally cannot invest in the stock market today. How does a Demat account actually work? Now let's understand what happens when you click the buy button behind the scenes. Four players are working together. Number one, you, the investor. Number two, the broker like Zerodha, Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, TD, Ameritrade. Number three, the stock exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, LSE, ASX. And number four, the most important one, the depository. In the US, DTCC. In India, NSDL, CDSL. In UK, CREST. This depository is like the central bank of shares. When you buy a stock, money leaves your bank, stock leaves the seller, depository update ownership, and your Demat account shows the shares. All this in seconds. No paper, no courier, no signature, just a digital ownership. Did you already know about depositories? Type yes or no in comments. What can you store in a Demat account? Most people think Demat is equal to only shares. Wrong. In a Demat account, you can store stocks, ETFs, mutual fund units, bonds, government securities, REITs, gold ETFs, international shares. Basically, your entire investment life can live inside one account. And the best part, you can open one Demat account and invest in hundreds of companies across multiple countries. Now, here comes a dangerous truth. Your Demat account is more important than your trading app because apps can change, but your ownership always stays in the Demat system. Is your Demat account safe? Let me answer the biggest fear. What if the app shuts down? What if the broker runs away? What if the company collapses? Here is the good news. Your shares are not stored with the broker. They are stored with the government regulated depositories. Even if broker goes bankrupt, app disappears, company shut website, your ownership is still safe because legally those shares are your property. That's why long-term investors sleeps peacefully. But only if you choose a regulated and a reputed broker. Tell me in comments which broker are you using right now. Let's see which one is most popular. Demat account versus trading account. Many beginners confuse these two. So let me simplify. Demat account is equal to storage locker. Trading account is equal to buying and selling window. You cannot trade without a trading account and you cannot store without a Demat account. Together, they form your complete investing system. Think like this. Bank account stores money. Demat account stores shares. Trading account moves shares. Both are needed. And here is a mistake that costs people money. Opening too many accounts without understanding fees, maintenance charges, and hidden costs. How to open a Demat account correctly? If you are opening your first Demat account, remember 5 rules. Rule 1. Choose a regulated broker. Rule 2. Change annual maintenance charges. Rule 3. Check a transaction fees. Rule 4. Check international access. Rule 5. Check a customer support quality in 2026. The best investors are not fast traders. They are low cost, long term, disciplined investors. Your Demat account is your foundation. Build it carefully. Let me end with something important. When you buy a share, you are not gambling, you are becoming a partial owner of a real business. And your Demat account is the legal proof of that ownership. This small digital lock can one day hold your retirement, your children's education, your financial freedom. That's why understanding Demat is not a technical knowledge, it is a wealth knowledge. If this video helped you understand how investing really works, please do three things. Like this video, it helps the algorithm. Comment Dematted if you learned something new. Subscribe because next video I will show you how to choose your first stock step by step without losing money. And remember, the market doesn't reward speed, it rewards knowledge, patience, and discipline.